Vaccines. In the past, vaccines have been known to eradicate diseases such as smallpox and almost eliminate polio. They are designed to prevent and reduce the risk of getting diseases. With a variety of different types, the latest breakthrough news is on the use of mRNA vaccines to counter COVID-19. Before I explain how the mRNA vaccine works, I will start by explaining how a virus, like the SARS-CoV-2 virus, is able to infect humans. The first step happens when a virus enters the body. Its spike protein attaches itself to our cells and injects its DNA or RNA, which acts like a blueprint, into our cells. This blueprint contains instructions for the cells to make more copies of the virus to infect more cells. However, our body has a defense system known as the immune system. The immune system will attack any foreign substances that do not belong in our body and later produce antibodies that will attach to the virus and stop them from infecting our cells. Vaccines are used to give a helping hand to the immune system. There are a few different types of vaccines. The first type is an inactivated or weakened form of the virus. Due to the weakened form, the virus will not cause the disease, but will be able to activate the immune system. The second form are protein-based vaccines, or vaccines that use substances to mimic the virus, which causes an immune response. The third form are viral vector vaccines, which uses a safe form of the virus that cannot cause diseases to activate the immune system. With the recent COVID-19 pandemic, RNA and DNA vaccines have recently become the talk of the town. Companies like Pfizer and Moderna have jumped on the train to create these vaccines. Now, let's talk about how the COVID-19 mRNA vaccine works. The spike proteins on the virus allow the virus to attach to specific cells in the body, infecting them. The principle behind mRNA vaccines is using a specific part of the blueprint of the virus and making them into mRNA, which enters the cells in our body and gives them instructions to create the spike proteins. Similar to following a recipe, the cells will follow the instructions of the mRNA and produce large amounts of the spike proteins. The immune system will then be activated and will figure out how to attack the foreign substances by producing antibodies. Now that you know how the COVID-19 mRNA vaccine works, don't be afraid of taking it. It is important to note that this vaccine is currently the best option. However, when more research is conducted in the future, better vaccines will emerge.